Hello, thank you for tuning in today. My name is Cody, and today we will be discussing the ability to add favorites and adjust our visible features inside of the Construction Online mobile app. Now to begin, we'll need to open up our Construction Online mobile app and log in. And once we are there, we'll see our favorite section at the very top of the mobile app. It should be right there before any of the other available features that are on our main screen. Now, to add the features that we're going to use most frequently, we'll click on the Add Favorite Features. And then from there, you can star off what you are going to access most often. So for me, I might say that I'm going to need daily logging and messaging the most. So I would want those as two of my favorite features on the mobile app, and you'll see they will appear at the very top now. And then if you ever want to add more or remove favorites, all you have to do is hit that plus button again, and it'll open that favorites list back up for us. Now, to adjust what features are visible on our mobile app, that will be handled by the three-dot menu at the very top right of the mobile app. Once we click there, you'll see our feature settings are available. We can turn on and off entire feature sets or individual features by checking the boxes off on the right hand side. Now we can also adjust the order of the features that are visible, and that's going to be handled by clicking on the three-line menu at the top right, and now you'll see we have the ability to grab and organize these groups in the manner that fits us best. And then once we're happy with the organization and what we've turned on and off, we can hit apply, and those adjustments will be factored into the mobile app now. Now that concludes today's tutorial. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out using the live chat or by searching the knowledge base. And as always, have a fantastic day.